The standing water is so bad. Look at this.
Oh, look at it go into...
It's just rushing down the street. It's covering people's tires. This is sketchy. Look at that. Just coming down the hill. It's just flooded. This whole side of the road is flooded. I think this is one of the worst storms I've ever seen in Utah.
Look at this.
This is really sketchy. I hope we don't get stuck in this.
Oh my gosh, look at this. What?
Do we trust to go through here? All right, get ready, y'all. We're going four-wheeling. Kurt, be careful, please.
Oh my gosh!
We've got a baby and this stuff freaks the crap out of me now.
That was awesome.
Kelly Clarkson. Okay. All right.
That deserves coming.
We are out of the flood zone now. Not really, but out of that one at least. All right. I'm gonna go because I'm scared. Goodbye.